Hey loves, and welcome back to Life with CheKesha. It is your girl, and it is Getaway / Labor Day weekend, and I am taking y'all with me and the hubs. So I just want to welcome back all of my subscribers. If this is the first time, make sure you do me a favor, is to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, and as well drop me a purple heart in the comments box. That way I know that you are new. So we're about to wrap out. This is the last quote-unquote official holiday weekend for the summer, and we are going to enjoy it because we work hard and we play even harder. So let's get it. Hey loves, and happy Saturday and happy Labor Day weekend, which is kind of considered the last full weekend, holiday weekend of the summer. And I'm super excited because the hubs and I have taken off this Saturday, and you know we are both entrepreneurs and Saturdays are typically a busy grind day for us, but we wanted to enjoy this Labor Day weekend because we have not been able to do so in a while. So I am about to get myself together. He is at therapy session, which is aka basketball with the fellas, and I'm gonna get myself together. Now the humidity is supposed to be super low this weekend, so I am gonna, sorry for shaking the camera, I am going to put some curls in my hair. I am relaxer free, but my hair is naturally thin, so that's why I decided to go without doing relaxers anymore. And so what I do is I silk press my hair, and then I go back in and add some big curls so I can have body, because I like to wear my hair straighter anyway. So I'm gonna enjoy that this weekend, and I'm gonna get myself together. I'm not gonna do a get ready with me because I am not on that level yet when it comes to doing my makeup and stuff like that. But I will share a coffee with me. So I have gotten the recipe for my new favorite coffee. And anybody that knows me knows I love coffee, especially hot coffee. I can drink hot coffee in 100-degree weather. But this coffee right here, baby. Anyway, so let me get myself together and then I will show you, and I will try to include the recipe for this new coffee that I am obsessing on right now. So I'll be right back. So all the ingredients to make this drink is going to be at the bottom, and I believe the recipe that I found online is enough to make a venti size, but with any ingredients you just double it up to make it work for you. Speaking of doubling up, so this brown sugar mixture that I made, which will be included in the recipe, I just tripled the amount. So if it called for 3 ounces of water, I did 9 ounces of water. That's just an example. So I just wanted to make enough because I am obsessed with this new drink, and I wanted to make enough so it'll make it easy for me to make in the morning. Now, when editing this video, I realized that I showed you everything except for me pouring the oat milk. And I actually found a brown sugar oat milk creamer at the local Kroger at my grocery store. So it worked perfectly. It was the right balance of sweetness. And then basically you can control how sweet that you want it. If you want it more coffee tasting or espresso tasting, you just make sure that you either add more espresso, in which this day we're about to hit the road. So I did 3 scoops of the espresso mixture. Or you can add more of the brown sugar syrup or more of the creamer. It's your prerogative. You make it how it works for you. So here I am shaking it up. And like I said, I will have the recipe below so you can make it yourself. All right, guys. So I forgot to hit record when I was making my new favorite Starbucks drink. But if you all have caught a couple of my videos, it is the brown sugar oat milk. It is so delicious. Maybe when I get back home, I will try to make it again. But I made a venti size, and it's so good. And you can make your own brown sugar syrup at home, which will save you some coins, because you know I'm on the Save the Coin ministry. So if you want the recipe, I will put it in the description box. But it is really good. So we have made it to our destination. We are in Baltimore at the Baltimore Harbor. And the hubs right now is checking into our room. I don't know what the room is going to look like, so I may or may not give you a room tour. Well, I'll probably give you a room tour. I ain't that chick. But anyway, so my hair is looking a little disheveled, but as you can see, the curls are dropping. We've been driving on the highways. We had the air on, then we had the windows down with the sunroof open. So yeah, this is my windblown look. And by the way, these shades that I have on are from Free People. And if you want to get this look, if you go, well, get these shades, I do have a link in my description box in the Like to Know It link, and you can shop them. But let's talk about these lashes. I don't know if you can see them. My skin is a little bit oily right now. I need to blot my foundation, but I am loving these lashes. These lashes are from Ardell. I believe they're the natural lashes, and the number is 420. I do have some in my Like to Know It link, but those are 421s, and I think they're just a little bit longer, but they have the same fullness as these ones, still nice and natural. But the funny thing about it is the lashes that I like is the same number of my Fenty foundation. I wear shade 420 and the Pro Lift mattifying foundation. Yeah, so I am going to, my comb and stuff is in the back, so I can't brush my hair, but I'm gonna wait for the hubs to come so we can get all of our luggage out of the vehicle, and then I'll be back with the room tour. And happy Sunday. So we have checked out of the hotel. We stayed at the Baltimore Harbor. And as you saw, we did get to go see Getaway. Well, I don't know if you saw that part, but we saw Getaway at the Comedy Factory. And now we're just gonna go to the National Harbor, which is in DC, and grab some lunch and then head back home. Y'all already know what time it is. Starbucks. If I'm not home, I'm getting Starbucks.